Lawmakers from across the Commonwealth are discussing youth violence prevention and a policy hearing taking place in the city of Erie today.
Chelsea Swift was at that hearing. She joins us now in the control room with much more on what was said and what people hope will be taken back to Harrisburg. Chelsea.
Sean and Jen, that's right. Legislators are hearing from community leaders about the ways their organizations are helping young people in Erie, all in an effort to create policies to prevent violence. Youth violence continues to be an issue in Erie and across the Commonwealth. Local leaders meeting for a policy hearing with lawmakers in Erie Tuesday, so that elected officials in Harrisburg can learn how they can help curb juvenile crime.
We need funding to come in to affect change within our communities. We need to go out door to door. We need to identify who the problem young people are and reach out to them and create programs that's going to teach them how to be responsible.
One city council member says policy hearings like this are necessary to bring change in Erie. She says local leaders should stay up to date on help that's available to them.
We get statistics every week from the police chief about the number of weapons charges and shots fired incidents, but we really have to be tuned into what is happening at the state level, both with the funding and with proposed legislation that could help address those issues.
The chair of the Pennsylvania Legislative Black Caucus says the state budget includes more than $100 million to address community violence. She says local organizations should take advantage of this funding.
I strongly encourage community organizations, faith-based institutions, schools, and law enforcement agencies here in Erie to apply for that funding.
Lawmakers learning about several organizations, including the Blue Coats, that work with students from Erie's public schools, keeping them off the streets. Sean?
Chelsea Swift reporting tonight.